It's time for another advent calendar here on my channel. We are going to be taking a look at the e.l.f. Cosmetics Advent Calendar 2025, okay? Now, I honestly didn't know that e.l.f. has advent calendars. So last year, I didn't even get one. I had to like search advent calendars and I saw this and I was very intrigued by the price. I was intrigued by what I thought was inside. So I got it. Let's open it and see if it's worth the point so that you don't have to waste your money buying it and then finding out that it's really not worth it, okay? Let's go ahead and jump into it. Now, if you are new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome if you are a returning subscriber. Let me know down below in the comments how you are enjoying this advent calendar season, because in previous years I haven't actually dedicated videos to advent calendars because I didn't know that the girlies wanted to see the advent calendars, but now I know. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into this advent calendar. Hallelujah. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics. The glitz is elfin glitzing advent calendar. Okay, honey? And I want to know what is in here. Everything is displayed very evenly when you open it, and it doesn't feel as heavy as the MAC Cosmetics one. I'm wearing my favorite daughter sweatshirt. This is a size small. You can buy it here on YouTube by clicking the view products tag. Yes, I'm going to add this to that link. Let's see what's in here. This is not one of those advent calendars that you can keep and repurpose or reuse, because once you open it, it's done. I have a lot of e.l.f. Cosmetics products and I do like their products. In recent times, there's been some kind of drama going on with them. Hopefully they have resolved, because I don't really follow very closely whatever's happening. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into it. We're just gonna do like a rapid fire opening, see whether or not I want to try the product or not. My main reason for opening advent calendars this year is to see whether or not these advent calendars are dark skin friendly, because very rarely do I see somebody of my skin tone or deeper opening advent calendars, and I feel like because of that, the market generally gears towards people that don't have skin tones as as mine. So hopefully these advent calendars I'm opening are giving you ideas on whether or not the advent calendars are for you. I'm very interested in seeing what the e.l.f. Cosmetics advent calendar can do for us. Starting strong with number one, we have, it looks like a moisture. Oh my god, am I gonna have problems taking these things out? Probably. Oh god, oh god. I'm gonna take my pocket knife, because I do have a pocket knife and I carry it around amongst other things. I got it out. Okay, so first we have the e.l.f. Cosmetics face cream. This is Holy Hydration face cream. I have the big version of this. e.l.f. has some amazing skincare products, so this is definitely something that I will be putting into my travel bag. Okay, number two. Where is number two? Oh my god, my dyslexic self is about to have a hard time finding things on here. We have our first culprit of things that don't belong in an advent calendar that's meant for everybody. So we have the Instant Lift Waterproof Brow Pencil, and the way this is set up or situated, the shade is brown. The shade is neutral brown, and obviously neutral brown is going to be a shade that will not look good on my skin tone, because I have dark skin and I like black brow pencils. So straight off the bat, number two is going to be a product that we are not going to be able to use, especially if you are a dark skin girly like myself. Am I gonna fight with this one too? I did a video using the duochrome extraterrestrial and everybody loved it. It is such a beautiful shade. It's a beautiful color. God, you can't see it on the, you see this? It shifts between purple and green. If you haven't yet tried the specific product, I would definitely buy the advent calendar. Let's go to number four if I can find it. Now, I didn't know that e.l.f. Cosmetics had a Power Grip Matte Primer. Did you know that? I didn't know that. I most definitely didn't know that e.l.f. Cosmetics had a Power Grip Matte Primer. Okay, e.l.f., like if you're watching this, please just put me back on the PRs. I miss so much if I don't get PR. It goes on looking like a balm. Look at it. It looks like a balm on the skin. Oh, it's drying down. Look at it. It's disappeared into my skin. Okay, honey, this is definitely going to keep the girlies matte. e.l.f., you've been hiding things. Okay, it's completely dry, but it doesn't leave that powdery cast, that certain matte primers leave behind that I absolutely do not like. Did y'all know about this product and you didn't tell me? I thought we were friends. I thought we tell each other things. Okay, the putty primer. This is the matte poreless putty primer. This is the one that was a dupe for the Tatcha Silk Canvas, and this one does leave a white looking cast on my skin. You will absolutely love it. We have two primers in this box. I think one will be perfect for the days that you want that full coverage beat like I have on right now. Poreless putty will get you situated. On the days that you don't want that, you could definitely use this, or you can mix both. Number 6. Number 6 is an e.l.f. Cosmetics lip lacquer, and it's very reminiscent of the shade that I have on. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna put it on. Okay, this is the shade Black Cherry. Oh yeah, it's definitely very close to the shade that I already had on, but this one is a little bit muted, and it's a gloss. The one I had on before is actually a matte shade. I will link the video to this makeup look down below, so definitely check it out. This doe foot has like a little dip that it collects the products in, so you know you're going to get a good amount of products. Not sticky at all, and it's definitely not going to move. The lip lacquers are really, really good, okay? Number 7 is looking like some kind of a pencil. Number 7 is an eyeshadow brush. This is a fluffy eye blender. As fluffy as this one is, I would use this to apply concealer on my eye. Now to find number 8. Number 8 might be another lip lacquer because it looks like the shape of the first lip product. Number 8 is a lip product. Okay, number 8 is not a lip product. Number 8 is the No Budge eyeshadow stick in the shade Magnet Pull. Let's see what the shade looks like. It's an eyeshadow and it's definitely metallic, but it's given almost like ashy on my skin tone. It actually matches the shade of this brow pencil. Yeah, they were made to complement each other. Look at this. Two products in this box that are products that I cannot use. Ooh, ew. I am fighting with this box. But I have to say the products are very secure in here. I'm just having a hard time pulling them out. We have a full size. This is a full size setting spray. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Dewy Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. I'm gonna use it. Look at my skin. I am glowed up even more, and this is a full size, so e.l.f. good job. Number 10. I need number 10. Where oh, there it is. This is the Enhancing Lash and Brow Serum. This is how small it is. It is very small. Definitely a trial size, or maybe like a travel size product. Oh, you're supposed to put it on your eyes, on your lashes, and on your brows to grow them. I haven't seen anything about this positive or negative, so I will be using it. I do use lash serums to help grow my lashes, hence my lashes are looking tantalizing lately, but you know, I'll try it. Let's go to number 11. What would I do if my pocket knife wasn't in my pocket? Even at home, I still carry it. Okay, this is the e.l.f. Shimmer. Oh, it's a face balm. This is a face shimmer balm in the shade Perfection. I thought it was a lip product. A face shimmer balm? Like, I'm really supposed to put this on my face? Look at it. Do you see it? It's glistening. Oh, what is this? Is it a highlighter? It's a highlighter. Ooh. This is it on, like a little swatch of it. Okay, the outside is definitely a little bit more shimmery than the inside, but it does have some gold reflexes to it. So I think it would be perfect for any skin type. You just need to take some and apply it. Oh, it's just a balm. After the initial shimmer pieces go away, it just gives you like a glow to the skin without the shimmer pieces. So right there, it's a face balm. Gives you like a nice glow to the skin, but I would definitely apply it to the back of my hand to warm it up, and then take it from here and apply it to my face. I can't be swiping things on my face because it will definitely take off my makeup, and I don't like that. Number 12. Where's number 12? Okay, this is the e.l.f. Incredi Curl Mascara. I have been missing out on e.l.f. things. e.l.f. Cosmetics, I need you to put me back on PR because I refuse to be missing out on these products. I never met a mascara I didn't want to try out, okay? Even if it's a colored mascara, I still want to try it out. Okay, the one on here is curved in, so this side would definitely be for my lower lashes. It's shaped like a lash curler. It's kind of shaped like something else though. Kids, avert your eyes. Lash curler. Number 14. Where are your number 14? Why is it taking me so long to find these numbers? Number 14 is another eyeshadow. I can't see the shade. Yeah, I'm going to say Little Dipper. This is a metallic one, and this is what it looks like. Oh, stunning. Do you see this? Ooh. Ooh, the reflection on this. And yes, I will be able to use it. So I'm keeping it on my yes, I can use it pile. Number 15. If you bought my collab with e.l.f. Cosmetics, you definitely saw the brow lift in there. This is a good product. I absolutely love it. And yes, you can apply it with like a regular brow spoolie and it would work. Number 16. Where is number... Oh. Number 16 is little Ava rhinestones that you can use to zhuzh up your eyeshadow look or, you know, whatever look you're trying to go for. Number 17 is an eyeliner. It's shaped like the e.l.f. Cosmetics eyeliner, which I do have and I do use and I do love. This is the Expert Liquid Liner. I mean, it will dry down matte for you and it's also very, very black. It's not gray and it will go on really super black, okay? I clocked number 18 since way back when. So this is the Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Balm. I like this. I like the travel size because I do use this one and it is one of the products that I also added to my my collab with e.l.f. Cosmetics. I use a lot of e.l.f. Cosmetics products. If, like, believe it or not, I do. Number 19. Number 19 is right here. It's a sponge. I thought it was gonna be one of those face massaging tools, but it's a sponge. e.l.f. Cosmetics has some really nice makeup sponges, but this is what this sponge is looking like. Nice purple sponge. Number 20. What's number 20? My lips don't feel dry from the gloss that I put on. It's definitely a balm with like more with pigment in it. It's not like a drying glossy type of a look. It's very hydrating. This is the Hydrating Lip Cover Shine. It's the one that has like a little clear heart in the middle. Look at this. So cute. I would put it on, but I have something on. I don't want to take it off. But e.l.f. hydrating lip products will definitely keep your lips hydrated. Like, let's go to number 21. Where, oh, here you are. Number 21 is the e.l.f. No Budge retractable. Oh, in the shade blue. Girl, oh, it's like a dark midnight blue type of a shade. Like, do you see it right there? It would give like some gorgeous trick on the eye, especially in the waterline. It would give a gorgeous trick. This is navy or marine blue. Let's go to number 22. 22. It's a very light putty blush. This will definitely not be something I could use, maybe. Yeah, no, I can't use this. It has too much of a white base in it and it's not going to be something that will be flattering on my skin tone. 21, 22, yes, 23 is over here. 23 is a brush because it's shaped like a brush. And it's a foundation brush. I didn't even have to look at it. This is the buffing foundation brush. These are very good for like swiping. It has like a nice dome look to it and they work very well. I actually have a bunch of these. I'm looking at them right now. I have a bunch of these. They work very well. Number 24 is a big box. Now I wonder what's in here. This is how big number 24 is. What do you think is in here? Because I wouldn't have guessed at all what was in here. And e.l.f. Cosmetics is definitely winning. Right now, I feel like it is the most comprehensive makeup advent calendar that I have seen so far. If I decided to sit here and do makeup with the products that I opened from the advent calendar, I will absolutely be able to achieve close to a full face with the products that I got from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Out of the 24 products I opened, only 3 are products that I cannot use. Like, I cannot use at all in a makeup look. Everything else I will absolutely be able to use. A lot of these are full sizes. Only 2 of these I will consider as travel sizes. Most of the lash serum is a travel size. There's nothing in here that's a mini. e.l.f. Cosmetics definitely did their thing with this box. I bought this box with my own money and I do not regret buying it. If you were waiting for a dark skin girly to open the e.l.f. Cosmetics advent calendar so you can decide whether or not to pick it up, I am telling you that if you pick it up, you're not going to be disappointed. excited. A few of these products I didn't know they had, and a few of these products I've used and loved, and I'm definitely going to be using all of these or giving them to the ones I already have, I'll give them to my sister. The ones I don't have, I'm definitely going to be using them. That is it for me opening e.l.f. The Glitz is Elfin Glitzing Advent Calendar. Let me know down below in the comments what you thought about the products that you saw here. Do you think they were worth the price point? Is it something that you're willing to pick up and, you know, have a little fun for 24 days? Now, if you're not subscribed to my channel, you're also not going to know when I drop a new video. So definitely go ahead and subscribe. And yes, click that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.